The first details of the all-new Range Rover. So this is the 5th generation model, really an impressive vehicle. It's got the all-new design, and as you can see in front of us, we have the new muscular face, we have the digital LED lights and the new pattern for the grille. It's got the iconic Range Rover shape, but of course much more modern now, and the lines are just impressive and gorgeous looking, because as you can see we have a bit of a minimalistic look, especially when you look at it from this angle. So no unnecessary parts, just the iconic parts that we are used to seeing on the Range Rover model. The wheels are huge, so they go from 21 to 23 inch. Dimension of the tires 285/40 R23 with the massive wheels. This is the autobiography model, so you see here, and we have this iconic part of every Range Rover. Now if I show you the car from the side, now you will see that we have the well-known shape of a Range Rover, and I really love the fact that we still have a model that is so easily recognizable on the road. Now from the back, probably the coolest part, at least for me. On the first photos I actually wasn't convinced, but now seeing this in person, it is just impressive and definitely an eye catcher on the road, and one of the most impressive SUVs in the market right now. Just look at the design of the tail lamps, very slim. We have the Land Rover badge, massive gloss black part here that is connecting the lights, but the coolest thing is that the dynamic indicators are here as well. We also have a clean design of the rear bumper, so nothing is here, as you can see, just the gloss black finish. Nothing in terms of fake exhaust, of course. They are somewhere down there, and the car is actually turned on because the battery is low, and I wanted to show you the details with the lights on. And this is the view from the other angle. Let me also show you the 2 shark antennas, and we have the camera on one of those. If we press this, it opens. We have the 2-part tailgate, and you press this to open the other part as well. Some additional storage area, I think, here. And I think you can do this actually. Now you have the bench, you can sit and just relax. How cool is that? The view on the front, you see the massive screen. I'll cover that in a moment. And in order to close this, you just press this, folds away, press this, and that's it. So tell me in the comments, how do you like the design? And now it is time to check out the interior. So look at this, the door handles that pop out, and here we have the new digital cockpit. Everything is new here. I will cover all of that. We have the autobiography lettering when you enter the car, nice leather and nice wood elements here. Here is where you control the seats, and well, yeah, definitely an impressive car. Leather seats, very comfortable, I can tell you that. And now let's change the view and let's actually see it from driver's perspective. Okay, and this is the view in front of the driver. Just look at this, magnificent materials. We have the all new steering wheel, we have the digital cockpit in front of the driver, and the main touchscreen. So this is the all new PV Pro infotainment system. You have a bunch of home screens that are available. We also have the haptic feedback. Now you can turn that on or off depending on what you want and what you prefer actually. If you press this, the car goes into this main menu where you have all of the functions. For example, the navigation. Just look at this. Now this is really responsive and looking really good. Let's actually check out the center of the city. We are now in Valencia, and yeah, well, we have a lovely view here. Look at this. Now the settings are here. You can press this, and now here you also have the dark theme. You can turn it on. You can have the auto theme. Navigation settings are here. Now here you adjust a bunch of things. So the real 3D cities, realistic 3D city model when available, satellite map, and default map. So yeah, those are the options. Let's actually see this. Now we have a different view. Look at this lovely 3D shape of the buildings. Really looking gorgeous, and this screen is really huge, and as I said, really responsive. Let's go back. So here we have the navigation settings, audio settings. This car has the Meridian sound system. As you can see here, we have the speakers, and here are the general settings. So here you adjust the profiles, the vehicle settings, driver assist systems, safety, and stuff like that. You do need to turn on the car for some of the functions here. Collision avoidance, speed assist, stuff like that. But as I said, we need to turn on the car for those. Exterior lights, we do have high definition adaptive driving beam, and you also have the option to switch between home lights, whether you want them to be turned on for 30 seconds or more. Power tailgate can also be adjusted here, cabin lighting as well, but we are currently in low power mode. But yeah, there are, as you can see, bunch of colors available as well. General settings are here. You can adjust the settings for the display, for example, brightness, offset, stuff like that. Select the theme. Now we have also the light theme, but I actually prefer the dark theme. So yeah, those are the options here, and this is the option that I was talking about. So the haptic feedback, you can switch it off, and now it is actually a bit easier for me to use this system, more like a classic screen that you have on your mobile phone. So yeah, tell me in the comments what would be your choice for that. Would you go for the haptic feedback or the classic one? Let us now move on. Software updates. This infotainment system uses the over-the-air updates, so you will have the newest edition of the system